Hello, Ederson Oliveira here. Today I'll be talking about a question that people ask me a lot. What language should I learn to help me be better prepared for jobs? I would say that first, there are many options out there. You don't have to learn everything. However, there are some core languages that you may want to pick one of those. Let's start with JavaScript. It is the backbone of the web, essential for both front-end and back-end through technologies like Node.js. Whether you are building websites, servers, or even games, JavaScript is indispensable. Next one, Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, I love Python. Python is a favorite for beginners and seasoned professionals alike. It's heavily used in the web, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and science computing. Learning Python opens so many doors for opportunities in various tech fields. Next one, Java. It is the go-to language for millions of developers. Even though it's a little bit old, with its write once and run anywhere philosophy, Java is a powerhouse for building Android apps, web applications, and large-scale systems. Last one is the one that I teach, C#. If you are into developing games and using Unity, or building Windows applications and web applications as well, C# is your key to success. Armed with these languages, you are well on your way. But let's talk about specializing in one of the most in-demand areas, web development. In web development, understanding HTML and CSS, it is fundamental. HTML lays out the structure of the web pages, while CSS styles them. These aren't programming languages per se, but without them, the web would be a text-only, uninspired plain field. To really enhance your web projects, mastering a modern JavaScript framework or library like React, Angular, or Vue.js is crucial. I would recommend React. These tools help create dynamic and responsive user interfaces and are sought after by employers all over the globe. To sum up, focus on one of those core languages and web development skills as well will not only broaden your coding repertoire, but also significantly enhance your marketability as a developer. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye now.